Some properties you view, some properties you feel. Pensford is one of those places, a quiet sanctuary folded into a beautiful, peaceful Devon valley. A place where horses graze at first light and kingfishers flash along the streams, and life slows to something altogether more meaningful. At its heart, a handsome farmhouse, thought to trace its roots to the 1700s. Inside, old meets new in quiet harmony. A statement kitchen with Neff appliances and oak-topped island opens to the garden. The sitting room is timeless, anchored by an inglenook fireplace and deep window seats. Upstairs, 5 double bedrooms offer calm and comfort, 2 with en-suites and a principal suite with its own walk-in wardrobe. Four timber stables, a tack room and hay stores sit beside the house. From here, the land opens out, newly fenced paddocks winding tracks through oak and ash, and 2 peaceful ponds fed by natural streams, just one of many places to pause and just be. But Pensford isn't just a beautiful home, it's a haven for horse and rider. Whether you're an experienced equestrian or just somebody who dreams of ponies at the gate, this is where that life unfolds. For those longing for space, connection, and something truly special, your moment is here, by design.